Thanks for spending just a minute thinking about God's truth with me today. Today we focus on the truth of Colossians 3:7. In these you too once walked when you were living in them. It's time to start the clock and break it down. In these you too once walked takes us back to verse 5. Paul is telling the church in Colossae that he knows some of them used to live in sexual immorality, in impurity. They used to be controlled by their passions and evil desires. They used to commit idolatry by coveting. But notice that this verse says, in these two you once walked. The implication is that you don't do those things anymore. Your behaviors have changed. Knowing Jesus calls us to a transformed life and a transformed lifestyle. We now live to express our love for Him by obeying all that He commands. So when our old friends encourage us to get back into our old ways, we who follow Jesus must tell them that our desire to be lovingly faithful to Jesus is stronger than our desire to get back into the empty way of life we used to live. God, through Jesus, has transformed our hearts, and likewise, God expects us to forsake sin and to show our love to Jesus by doing all that He commands. Your thoughts and comments are welcome below. Please remember to share this verse with a friend, and think about this today. When we surrender our lives to Jesus by faith, God graciously gives us eternal life, but He also expects us to love Jesus so much that we adopt a lifestyle of obedience. Serve Him well today. God bless you.